Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to create a React project using command prompt. So firstly you have to install Node.js, npm and VS Code in your system. After that open command prompt, and if you want to change that project location you can use this command. Like I am creating my project in desktop, so cd desktop. Now for creating the project use this command npx create next step, enter. I am maximizing this. It will say for what is your project name. So I will write my project name, my first demo app, enter. After that it will say, would you like to use TypeScript? If you want, then you can say no, yes, and if you don't want, then you can say no. So I'm not using this. Would you like to use ESLint? No. Would you like to use Tailwind? Yes. Would you like to use SRC Direct? Yes. Would you like to use app router? Say yes. Would you like to customize the default import? Yes. No. Now my project is starting to create. It will take some time. We wait for some time. Now it's showing for desktop, but I want my project name. So right here, cd and your project name. So I have write my project, my first demo it. So copy from here, Control C, and you can paste here, enter. Now directory change. My project in desktop, my first demo folder is created. Now you have to open your project in VS Code. Open our project for this command, like code, enter. So you can see here my project is opened on VS Code directly. You can see my project name, my first demo app. For run the project, you can see here fourth option is available for view. Go for view, and below you can see terminal. We can run our project by using npm run tab. You can see our project is running on localhost 3000. Copy this URL and take this URL on browser. Where is my browser? It will take some time. So you can see my project is opened here. Now you can see my project is here. Expand this and SRC is available here. And here you can see global.css, layouts and page.js, and packages also available. So in this video we have learned how to create a project using command prompts. And if this video is really helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.